again, my friends. So we are going to unbox another set of items or deliveries that we have ordered online. Actually, we have a lot of backlogs here in the house, but we don't have enough time to do it. So I apologize for some late uploads, but we still have a lot of stuff to unpack or to unbox. Okay, so this is an articulated arm and clamp for the camera for recording purposes. That's what I need here. It's about 1,320 1,400 pesos, almost 1,400 pesos. So it's about $27.5 US dollars. Okay, so let's open it. It's packaged very well. It's very secure. Anyway, we don't have our package opener yet, but I think it's coming soon. Okay, it's packaged really well. So you have to open it here. You have to be careful. So this is an air big bubble wrap that has very big bubbles. So I think they're already boxed, so we can slash this out. Okay, it's safe to do it. There we go. We just need to throw this. Add the official receipt, warranty certificate. Okay, it's a sticker. I don't know. Huh? Okay, so it's a small ring. It's a bit expensive, but it has high quality. It's still sealed up, so we can open this now. There we go. So this one is the clamp. I need a clamp. So open this. And we can spray this also for safety. It has a small arm. We can loosen it up by adjusting this one, and then you can reposition. Okay, you can use this for smaller or some tight spaces. I like the quality of their items actually. Okay, it's unlike the other. I don't know if I can show you, but there are some other items that are a little bit cheaper, but the quality is really bad. Okay. For the other products, what it does is it's difficult to adjust this. Even if you locked it, even if you lock it, they will get loose. Okay, and then they will move on their own. Even if you're using cell phones for recording, they will move. You cannot tighten them up properly. Unlike the small rig variants, this one, if you get something original, it's really good. Okay, so you can tighten them up and make sure that it doesn't move when you don't want it to move. It's very important, especially when you already got the proper angle and then you position it in preparation for your recording. It's better if it's not moving. like this. It's sturdy. Okay, so this is it. You have a very short articulating arm here. This is where you put the holder or the camera directly. And for the next one, it's also sealed. Let's open it. Okay. This is a longer articulating arm. Okay. So let's spray it again for safety. I really like about the small rig is it has good quality. You can see it in the materials, right? Like this one, this is a very good example. You have some ridges here or some grooves to ensure that when you lock them, they won't move. Okay, they can get locked. Unlike the other cheap variants, if you buy them, if you use them a lot, this will break and this portion will move. But with small rig, you can be sure it's really sturdy. Okay. By the way, this has no clamp. I'm planning to use this clamp as well. Okay. So when we release this, if we don't want to use this, we can use this. Okay. You can decide which end you can use. They're practically the same. Okay. So just lock it properly, and then you can position it however you want it. Okay, this is a really good buy. I'm really satisfied with this particular brand. Actually, I haven't tested any other brands that are other name brands that are expensive. This is the most expensive that I have been testing personally. The other ones that I'm using are very cheap, and you can see this is really heavy. It's pure metal, unlike the other local or the other cheaper brands. This one breaks down easily. It's really ugly. Let me show you. I'll get the old one that I have. This is the one that I'm talking about. This is the cheaper one. This one is supposed to be doing the job of this guy to lock and unlock. But the problem is it's very, very cheap, and it's not good. It breaks. It slides. So I'm not really satisfied with this. I'm really disappointed. See, it's already breaking. When you're trying to tighten them, you tighten it up and then you loosen them from time to time. Of course, because you're using it. So it breaks. It's really disappointing. So personally, I don't recommend this. Don't buy the cheaper ones. Buy the better ones. It's a little bit more expensive. It's not that expensive really, but it's good. See, this one also. This one is supposed to be like this. It has some grooves there that when you lock, it should stick. But this one is really low quality. Look at that. Even if you tighten it, it's still moving. I don't like this very much. I'm really disappointed with this, and maybe this is the only thing that I can reuse outside of it. It's the metallic one. The other one like this is also plastic. On the other side, it already disintegrated. So I don't know. This one I don't like it very much. I really don't like it. Really cheap. Really unsatisfactory. Okay, so I think that's it. That's it for this. And this going to the trash. Maybe these ones are going to the trash. So I think that's all for now. Please like and subscribe. We'll be having more unboxing videos coming up, because we have a lot of backlogs from the previous weeks or months, since we are pretty busy with life. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to support the channel.